different colors, yellow and greens in the sides. Look, this is the stickers. The dimension is chamfer because this is specially designed for GCC. And they mention this is the Arabic words Chevrolet. This is LT 2025 Chevrolet Silverado. Just captured on the side. Look at this is side mirror is coming with extra logo and panoramic systems. Expansion in here, the same logo in Chevrolet. Originally branded. 2025. The side is also here. It's three like MB, MI or M3 and BMW. The seat is totally changed with the side airbag. It's coming with side seat airbags, also coming in here. Big glass, large space for the bottles and other equipment. Side touch sensors with Wi-Fi type in here. So that's ZS13, or you can see with the coming side logo in here. Shortly is in it under the light covers. The same thing they mention in here on the top with the L's. It's coming with 265 and 65 or 18 rims, numbers 18, and so it's coming with 2024 tires, aluminum tires. This is the side seat passengers. You can see, look at that. It's a huge and beautiful car. I think that side is money button is here, is required with the side, other things.